Planning a trip to Singapore and want to make the most of it? Welcome to the Lion City, a vibrant fusion of cultures, a treasure trove of modern marvels, and a haven of traditional charms. Singapore is a tapestry of experiences, a city where ancient heritage coexists with cutting-edge innovation. In this feature, we will take you on a journey through Singapore's 4 main attractions: the gastronomic delights, the architectural wonders, the shopping paradises, and the sightseeing marvels. Indulge in a culinary adventure that spans from hawker street food to Michelin-starred dining. Marvel at iconic structures like Marina Bay Sands and the Gardens by the Bay. Shop till you drop, from the high-end fashion houses of Orchard Road to the bustling local markets. And immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of cultural and historical landmarks that make Singapore a city like no other. Stay tuned to discover Singapore's top dining spots, architectural wonders, shopping districts, and sightseeing opportunities. Ready to tantalize your taste buds with Singapore's diverse culinary scene? Let's dive right into the mouth-watering world of Singaporean cuisine. A melting pot of cultures, Singapore's food scene is as diverse as it is delicious, offering a plethora of dishes that will satisfy even the most discerning palate. First on the list is the bustling hawker centres, the heart and soul of Singapore's food culture. These open-air food courts, like the famous Maxwell Food Centre, serve up a smorgasbord of affordable and scrumptious local fare. Here you can sample a myriad of dishes from different ethnic communities, all under one roof. Don't know where to start? Try the Hainanese chicken rice. This seemingly simple dish of poached chicken and fragrant rice is a national favourite, lauded for its tender meat and flavourful rice cooked in chicken stock. Next, venture into the world of seafood with the iconic chili crab. This dish is a harmonious blend of sweet, savoury and spicy flavours, featuring succulent crabs stir-fried in a robust tomato and chili-based sauce. Now, dining in Singapore isn't just about the food. It's also about understanding the local dining etiquette. Most locals eat with a spoon in their right hand and a fork in their left. Don't worry if you can't master this. Utensils are provided, and using your hands is perfectly acceptable for some dishes. And remember, it's customary to return your tray and clean up after your meal at hawker centres. But don't stop at hawker centres. Singapore's dining scene is vast and varied, from Michelin-starred restaurants serving world-class cuisine to cozy cafes offering artisan coffee and pastries. So go ahead and explore. You'll find that every meal is an adventure, every dish a discovery. Remember, in Singapore, eating is a national pastime, so don't hold back. Craving a dose of awe-inspiring architecture, Singapore has a skyline that's bound to satisfy. This city-state is a melting pot of design where colonial past meets futuristic innovation and traditional aesthetics blend seamlessly with modern flair. Let's start with a dazzler, Marina Bay Sands. This iconic structure with its ship-like top spanning 3 towers is more than just a luxury hotel. It's a symbol of Singapore's bold ambition and a testament to the city's innovative spirit. Its Sky Park, perched 57 levels high, offers a panoramic view of the city that is simply breathtaking. Best visited at sunset when the cityscape begins to twinkle under the night sky. Then there's Gardens by the Bay, a futuristic botanical haven that feels like stepping into another world. This sprawling garden in the city features the super trees, towering vertical gardens that shimmer spectacularly when night falls. These solar-powered giants are not just visually stunning but also environmentally sustainable. For the best experience, plan your visit for the daily evening light show. But the architectural wonders of Singapore aren't all about the future. The city's colonial past is etched into the facades of the stately buildings in the civic district. The old Parliament House, now the Arts House, is a grand example of Neo-Palladian architecture. A visit during the day allows you to fully appreciate the beauty of its well-preserved design. Meanwhile, traditional shophouses, with their colourful facades and ornate details, tell a tale of Singapore's multicultural history. These architectural gems can be found in historic districts like Chinatown, Kampong Glam and Little India. And the best time to visit? Late afternoon, as the setting sun casts a warm glow on these charming structures. From colonial buildings to futuristic designs, Singapore's architecture is a visual feast. Whether you're a history buff, a design enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates a good view, this city's architectural wonders are sure to leave you in awe. Excited to discover Singapore's shopping districts? Well, buckle up, because the city-state's retail landscape is a cosmopolitan blend of luxury malls, high street brands and local boutiques, each offering an experience as diverse as the city itself. Let's start with the famed Orchard Road, an avenue that's a shopaholic's paradise. It's a 2-kilometer stretch of glitz and glamour, featuring high-end international brands and luxury labels. If you're a fan of designers like Louis Vuitton, Prada or Gucci, this is your haven and mine, but it's not all about luxury. Orchard Road also hosts a myriad of high street brands offering something for every budget. Moving on, we hit the local markets. Bugis Street is the place to be for bargain hunters. This bustling market is a treasure trove of affordable fashion, accessories and souvenirs. Don't be shy to haggle here, it's part of the fun and an integral part of the shopping culture. Just remember to do it with a smile. If you're looking for a more curated shopping experience, Haji Lane is a must-visit. Nestled in the heart of the Arab Quarter, this narrow alley is lined with independent boutiques selling vintage finds, local designer pieces, and quirky souvenirs. For tech enthusiasts, Funan Mall is a digital lifestyle hub, boasting the latest gadgets and tech accessories. Whether you're in search of a new camera lens or the latest gaming console, Funan Mall has you covered. A quick tip: most shops in Singapore open around 10 or 11 in the morning and close around 9 or 10 at night. And don't forget, tourists can claim a refund on the 7% goods and services tax at the airport before departing. While shopping in Singapore, respect the local customs. It's common to be greeted with a friendly, "Can I help you?" upon entering a store. Acknowledge the greeting and feel free to ask for assistance. Whether you're a luxury lover or a bargain hunter, Singapore's shopping scene has something for everyone. So get ready to shop till you drop in this retail wonderland. Eager to immerse yourself in Singapore's rich cultural tapestry and modern marvels? Well, brace yourself for a sightseeing adventure like no other in the Lion City. First on our list is the iconic Malayan Park, an emblem of Singapore's humble beginnings as a fishing village. The majestic Malayan statue, half lion, half fish, stands guard over the Marina Bay, offering a breathtaking view of the city's skyline. Best time to visit? The golden hours of sunrise and sunset, when the city is bathed in a warm, ethereal glow. Next, let's journey to Sentosa Island, a playground for all ages. Here you'll find Universal Studios, Sea Aquarium, and the stunning man-made beach. The island is buzzing with activities from dawn till dusk, but for a truly mesmerizing experience, consider exploring it at night when the entertainment venues come alive with vibrant lights and music. Now, let's traverse into the ethnic enclaves of Little India and Chinatown. Little India is a riot of colors, scents and sounds where traditional Indian shops jostle for space with trendy cafes. Visit the Sri Veeramakaliamman temple, a testament to the rich Hindu culture of the region. The best time to explore is during the early morning or late afternoon, when the streets are less crowded and the heat is more bearable. Just a stone's throw away is Chinatown, a cultural hotspot brimming with history and old-world charm. Here you'll find the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple, a stunning architectural masterpiece housing what is believed to be the left canine tooth of Buddha. Visit during the Mid-Autumn Festival to witness the streets come alive with lanterns and parades. From the iconic Malayan to the vibrant streets of Little India and Chinatown to the fun-filled Sentosa Island, Singapore weaves a captivating tale of tradition and modernity. Each corner of the city tells a unique story waiting to be discovered, and the best part? You get to decide the pace of your journey. From cultural enclaves to modern attractions, Singapore offers a myriad of sightseeing opportunities. So come, let's uncover the many faces of this fascinating city together. Ready to maximize your Singapore vacation experience? Let's recap the journey we've embarked on today. We've dived into the gastronomic delights of Singapore, from hawker centers serving up a melting pot of flavors to high-end restaurants that offer a taste of the city's multicultural culinary scene. We've marveled at architectural wonders like the iconic Marina Bay sands and the enchanting gardens by the bay that have transformed the city's skyline into a futuristic landscape. We've ventured into shopping districts, from the bustling Orchard Road to the vibrant local markets, each offering a unique retail experience. And we've soaked up the sightseeing opportunities, from historical landmarks to modern attractions, that make Singapore a city of contrasts. Remember, timing is key when visiting these attractions, and respecting local etiquette will enhance your experience. With these tips, you're all set to savor, explore, shop and sightsee your way through the Lion City. Enjoy your Singapore adventure. As we draw our Singapore adventure to a close, we want to remind you that every destination visited and every dish tasted is a story waiting to be told. We hope you've enjoyed this guide and feel equipped to delve into the wonders of Singapore. But the journey doesn't have to end here. If you found this video helpful and want to see more travel tips and guides, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Jump into the comments section and share your favorite part of the video or any personal experiences you've had in the Lion City. And remember, safe travels as you continue to explore the world. We'll see you in our next adventure.